The universe is a vast and magnificent stage, a cosmic theatre where the most extraordinary events unfold. A stage upon which galaxies pirouette in a graceful dance, stars explode in brilliant supernova, and planets form from swirling clouds of dust and gas. But even this grand spectacle, with all its wonders and mysteries, must eventually come to an end. The stars that shine so brightly will one day fade, and the galaxies that spin so majestically will slow and dim. What will be the final act of this cosmic drama? What ultimate fate awaits the universe? These questions have intrigued and puzzled scientists and philosophers alike for centuries. How will the curtain fall on the universe as we know it? Will it be a slow, gradual fade into darkness, or a sudden, cataclysmic event that brings everything to an end? Scientists have pondered these questions for centuries, dedicating their lives to understanding the cosmos. They have built powerful telescopes to peer into the farthest reaches of space and developed complex theories to explain the universe's behavior. They have peered into the depths of space and time, uncovering secrets that have reshaped our understanding of the universe. From the smallest particles to the largest structures, every discovery brings us closer to understanding our cosmic fate. They have formulated theories that range from the awe-inspiring to the downright terrifying. Some predict a peaceful end, while others foresee a violent conclusion. Each theory offers a different glimpse into the possible futures of our universe. One thing is certain, the universe is in a constant state of flux, of evolution and change. Galaxies merge and collide, stars are born and die, and the very fabric of space-time is ever-changing. And just as it had a beginning, it too must have an end. The birth of a star from a nebula is a reminder that everything in the universe has a life cycle. The fate of the universe is inextricably linked to its birth. The Big Bang, that cataclysmic event that birthed space and time, set the stage for everything that followed. The Big Bang, that cataclysmic event that birthed space and time, also set in motion the forces that will one day lead to its demise. The same forces that created the universe are also guiding it towards its eventual end. These forces include gravity, which pulls matter together, and dark matter, an invisible substance that shapes the structure of the universe. Together, they have driven the evolution of galaxies and the formation of stars. The universe is expanding, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. This force is causing galaxies to move away from each other at an accelerating rate, stretching the fabric of space-time itself. But how this expansion will unfold and what it will ultimately lead to remains one of the greatest mysteries of our time. Will the universe continue to expand forever, growing colder and darker, or will it eventually collapse back in on itself in a fiery end? The answers to these questions lie in the stars, waiting to be discovered. Imagine a universe in reverse. Picture the vast cosmos, not expanding as we have come to understand, but instead contracting. The galaxies, which have been drifting apart for billions of years, now begin to move closer together. The stars, planets, and cosmic dust that once spread outwards now start to converge. Instead of expanding outwards, it begins to contract. The space between celestial bodies diminishes and the universe starts to shrink. This contraction is not just a simple reversal of expansion, but a complex process where the very fabric of space-time is altered. Galaxies once separated by vast distances draw closer together. They begin to merge, their gravitational forces pulling them into colossal collisions. These cosmic events, once rare, become increasingly common as the universe continues its inward journey. Stars collide with increasing frequency, their nuclear furnaces extinguished in spectacular bursts of energy. These collisions release immense amounts of energy, creating supernova explosions that light up the contracting universe. The remnants of these stars, now dead, add to the growing density of the cosmos. This is the chilling scenario predicted by the Big Crunch theory. According to this theory, the universe's expansion will eventually halt and reverse, leading to a catastrophic collapse. The gravitational pull of all the matter in the universe will overcome the expansion, pulling everything back together. The Big Crunch posits that the gravitational pull of matter will eventually overcome the expansion of the universe. As galaxies, stars, and planets are drawn together, the universe's structure begins to break down. The forces that once held everything apart now work to bring it all back together. Like a ball thrown into the air that slows down and falls back to Earth, the universe will reach a point where it can expand no further. At this critical juncture, the expansion halts and the universe begins its inevitable collapse. The process is slow at first, but as more matter accumulates, the collapse accelerates. It will then begin to collapse in on itself, culminating in a singularity, an infinitely dense and hot point. This singularity is the reverse of the Big Bang, where all the matter and energy of the universe are compressed into a single point. The laws of physics as we know them cease to apply in this extreme environment. This final collapse would be a mirror image of the Big Bang, only in reverse. Instead of an explosion that creates space and time, we witness a contraction that erases them. The universe, once vast and expansive, shrinks to an unimaginable smallness. Time, space and matter would cease to exist as we know them. The very fabric of reality would be altered, and the universe would return to a state of infinite density and temperature. This marks the end of the universe as we understand it. The universe would return to the state of infinite density and temperature from which it originated. This singularity is a point of no return, where all known laws of physics break down. It is a place of infinite gravity and density where time and space are meaningless. Whether a new universe would emerge from this singularity remains a matter of speculation. Some theories suggest that this could be the birth of a new universe, a cycle of death and rebirth that continues indefinitely. Others propose that this singularity marks the absolute end. The mysteries of the cosmos continue to intrigue and challenge our understanding, leaving us to ponder the ultimate fate of the universe. Not all endings are violent. Some are quiet, drawn-out affairs. The heat death is one such scenario. It paints a picture of the universe slowly winding down like a clock left to run its course. Stars will eventually exhaust their nuclear fuel, fading into darkness. Black holes will consume the remaining matter, growing ever larger and more enigmatic. In this scenario, the universe continues to expand, but at an ever-decreasing rate. Energy, once concentrated in stars and galaxies, becomes evenly distributed across the vast expanse of space. Temperatures plummet towards absolute zero, the point at which all molecular motion ceases. The heat death is not a dramatic end, but a slow fade into silence. The universe would become a cold, dark, and utterly desolate place. No new stars would form, no life could exist. Only the faint echoes of a once vibrant cosmos would remain. Section 4. The Big Rip, a universe torn to shreds. Perhaps the most dramatic and violent end to the universe is the Big Rip. In this scenario, dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's expansion, grows stronger over time. It becomes so powerful that it overwhelms all other forces, including gravity. The universe wouldn't just expand, it would rip apart at the seams. Galaxies would be torn asunder, stars ripped from their orbits, and planets shattered into dust. Even atoms themselves would be torn apart by the relentless force of dark energy. The Big Rip is a chilling prospect, a cosmic apocalypse that would leave nothing untouched. It is a reminder of the immense power of the universe and the fragility of even the most fundamental building blocks of reality. Section 5. Echoes of a Bygone Universe, the cyclic model. In this section, we delve into one of the most fascinating and thought-provoking theories in cosmology. What if the universe's end wasn't truly the end, but rather a new beginning? Imagine a cosmic cycle where the death of one universe gives birth to another, in an endless loop of creation and destruction. The cyclic model proposes that our universe is just one in an infinite series of universes. Each universe is born from the remnants of the previous one, creating a never-ending chain of cosmic rebirths. Each universe undergoes a cycle of expansion and contraction, followed by a new Big Bang and the birth of a new universe. This cycle, often referred to as the Big Bounce, suggests that the universe is in a constant state of flux, eternally oscillating between creation and destruction. This model draws inspiration from ancient philosophies that envisioned the cosmos as eternal and cyclical. Civilizations throughout history have pondered the nature of the universe, often imagining it as a never-ending cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. It offers a tantalizing possibility that the universe doesn't simply end, but rather transforms, its energy and matter recycled into new forms. This concept challenges our understanding of time and existence, suggesting that everything we know is part of a grand, eternal cycle. Evidence for the cyclic model remains elusive, but it continues to captivate the imaginations of scientists and philosophers alike. Researchers are constantly seeking clues in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the distribution of galaxies, and the fundamental laws of physics that might support this theory. It suggests that our universe may be just one chapter in an epic saga, a story that has been playing out for eons and will continue long after our own universe has breathed its last. This perspective invites us to consider our place in the cosmos, not as a singular event, but as part of an infinite, ever-evolving narrative. The cyclic model encourages us to think beyond the confines of our current universe, to imagine a reality where the cosmos is in a perpetual state of renewal. It challenges us to rethink our understanding of beginnings and endings, and to embrace the possibility that the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we can ever fully comprehend. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, the cyclic model serves as a reminder of the boundless potential for discovery and the endless possibilities that lie beyond the horizon of our current knowledge. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit of curiosity and the quest for understanding the infinite. Section 6. From the Ashes, the Universe Reborn. The idea of a universe reborn from the ashes of its predecessor is a recurring theme in mythology and cosmology. But how could such a thing be possible? Where would the energy and matter for a new universe come from?